guys! So for today's video, I am going to be doing iMovie tips and tricks, and basically I'm just going to be showing you how to do the basics of iMovie, like stuff like keyframes, when you like zooms in and out, green screens, overlays, just like the very basics of iMovie. So if you don't know how to edit at all, basically just watch this video. This is also going to be a collab with the following people:
Kevin Incredible, Valen365, Black Lace Beauty, Samantha Nicole Beauty, It's Your Girl Brooklyn, Lucy Vlog, Sorry Views, Infinite Beauty, Highest Ash.
Go subscribe to them all. I love them. They are amazing. Okay, so we can get on to the video now. Also subscribe because we're trying to get to 20,000 subscribers by the end of 2018. So you should make that happen.
Don't let this be our final song.
So this tip has been a lifesaver to me. So basically, if you take your fingers and you squeeze them together on the thing, it brings the clips, it makes them smaller so that you can see everything and it's easier to like drag things. But if you expand them, then you can see it bigger and it's easier to like cut things out, basically.
Don't let this be our final song.
So this next thing is what I do when I start editing each of my videos. So basically what I do is I modify split clip and then I drag to get rid of all of the pauses, and this takes a lot of time out of your videos and it makes the videos a lot better to watch and more interesting when all the pauses are gone.
Don't let this be our final song.
So this is something I really like to put in my videos, and it is a light leak. So basically I go and I download a light leak from the internet, and then I basically just choose the parts that I want, and then I drag them on to top of my things to be my overlay, and I basically adjust it, and then after that I go up on the top and I change the opacity, and then it's just a little light leak on their videos, and then I basically just go and do that a bunch of times till all the parts that I want to be filled with the light leak are, and then there you go.
Don't let this be our final song.
So this is basically how you download YouTube videos. I'm using this for this SpongeBob thing that I sometimes put in my videos, but you can use this for any YouTube video. So basically you just copy the link and put it into Save from Net, and then you just download it, and then you can just import it into iMovie and just use it in your videos. That is how you do songs and stuff.
Don't let this be our final song.
So this is a title that I put in my videos sometimes. So basically it's just a green screen. So all I have to do is press the green screen button, and then it is working on my video. And after that I go to titles and I choose the type of title I want. I usually choose the pop-up one. I'm not really sure why I didn't choose the pop-up one here. But after I choose a title, I basically just write whatever I want my title to be, and then I change the font. So most of the places where I get my fonts and where pretty much everyone I know gets their fonts is from defont.com. All of the fonts on defont.com are free, so that's basically why every single person uses it. And it has all the popular fonts.
Don't let this be our final song.
So this is how you do some Ken Burns. So basically Ken Burns is when it just like zooms in to the video. So I'm going to show that. Basically you just press the button and then there's a Ken Burns. You just adjust to where you want the video to zoom in at and where you want it to start at, and then you press play and it zooms in, a little Ken Burns. This is me drinking a drink in the Ken Burns thing, and basically, yeah, that's how you do it.
Don't let this be our final song.
So this next part is how I get my green screen transitions. So basically I go into YouTube and I type in green screens, and there's plenty of options. So many people make green screens. So basically you just pick the one you want, you download it, and then you basically just take the part of the video you want and you just split clip that and then put it on top of the part of the video that you want it to be played at. I took the volume out because I don't want the music, and you just press the green screen button, and that's basically it. It just does it now.
Don't let this be our final song.
So this next part is what you do if you want to record a voiceover like I'm recording right now. So basically you go to Window and then you go to Record Voiceover, and then once you press that there should be a little red dot, and you press the little red dot and then you can start talking, and once you're done you just press done.
Don't let this be our our final song.
So this next part is what you want to do if you want to insert a picture in your video, or if you want to do a reaction. This is how you do reactions. You can do pictures and videos the same way. So basically you just take the picture or video and you press picture in picture, and then you can adjust it to where you want it on your screen and how big it is. It works with both picture and video. So this is how people do reactions and like gameplays, I guess. Anything like that, this is how you do it. If they're like taking things online, like Googling yourself videos, that's how people do it.
Okay, so that was the end of the video. If you enjoyed, you should subscribe, like, comment. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, add me on Snapchat. I add every single person back. And you should subscribe because I'm trying to make it to 20,000 subscribers by the end of 2018. And it'd be really nice if you subscribe so you could help me reach that goal. That's pretty much all I have to say. So, goodbye. Hey guys. Hey guys, so for today's video, I am going to be doing iMovie tips and tricks. So if you want to be watching that, what am I even talking about? And you should subscribe because